Oh, hey there. Welcome to my neighborhood. I'm not your regular Mr. Rogers. We like to play with things that go boom boom. As you can see, got a nice BAR, and we also have some fun toys in the cabinet. If you look below, got some Japanese items. Yeah, I'm setting up my little studio, if you want to call it that. Come back up to me. Come on, camera. Catch up, catch up, catch up, catch up. There we are. Anyways, today we're not going to be talking about firearms. I actually have an unboxing. We're going to see what the Mr. Mailman sent to us today. So let me get my box. First off, we got to clear the garbage off the top of the table here. Get rid of this bad boy. All right, this is coming from Mr. Magi Mercantile, Daniel Sinelli. I gotta get my trusty letter opener. Some of us use bayonets. I use marine stilettos. So let's get after it, folks. And I've mentioned this in previous videos. Don't cut towards yourself. Or as others would say, don't do this at home. I don't even honestly remember what all I got from Dan. He had an online live sale, and it's kind of like an auction. If you haven't checked it out, I encourage you to do so. It's on the Facebook in one of the groups there, and it's strictly for live sales. At some point I'm going to be doing that myself, but let's see what we got. Some kind of goodies. I know there's some helmets and some field gear in here. Yeah, right here on top we have a nice pair of original 1944 pack suspenders. That's the real deal, folks. Doesn't have the padding on the back side like the later 1945 pack suspenders or the even later 1951 pattern pack suspenders. Other than the padding, they're virtually the same suspenders. And here we have a nice cartridge belt. It has a faint, let's see, what is the date on that guy? 1943. So this is a transitional cartridge belt. That's pretty cool. I didn't realize it was an early one. It's in very good condition. Nice. And first aid pouches. You can never have enough of those. This is the OD number 7, 1945 dated, perfect for Korea. And I'll put a little plug in here. This weekend, I and some of the guys are getting together, and we are going to participate in a Korea 1950 event. So I will put some of this to good use. We've got 2 more of them. This one's actually 1944 dated. It's in pretty good condition. And what's this one? Another 1945. And this is stuff that I picked up, not for my collection. It is going to be for sale on my website, possibly Facebook, or even eBay. Or if I know you, I can do a direct sale in person. So, got a number of M1 carbine ammunition mag pouches. They're all in good condition. 1945, oops, dated. Another 1945 date, and another 1945 date. Not bad. And here we have no liner, but a great candidate for restoration. Has the original texture and paint. This is a World War I 1917 helmet. So I think with some upcoming events that we are discussing among our group of reenactors, we're wanting to do something very early war, such as pre-fall of the Philippines, 1942, or maybe even like Wake Island or Midway. We just have to find a sandy beach where we can do the latter. But oh, here's another one. This one still has the original cork finish as well. This is an American Brody, 1917 pattern. So that's a perfect candidate as well. So awesome. I love goodies. It's like Christmas. That's the fun thing about dealing in Militaria, is you always have packages coming in, and I'm never lacking for content for the channel as I do unboxing and revealing goodies that I've purchased and that will be for sale. So if you like videos such as this, where we unbox items that have either been purchased for resale or donations that people send us for our collection here at Gung Ho Military, like and subscribe, and definitely turn on your notifications so you are sure to never miss a new video whenever it drops. I try and put up new content daily, but right now I'm consistent with one particular series that I am doing. It is the Who, What, When, and Where mystery series, where we, on Mondays in part A, we showcase or share details about an item that's either in our collection or a topic in history. And then part B, which airs on Fridays, we reveal what the item is. So be sure to keep an eye out for those, and we'll catch you next time.